Hey up YouTube. Right, I'm back in Wales and it is absolutely roasting hot. So I am on my way to find a nice little waterfall that I camped at a few years ago, and I'm hoping I've got the right place. I'm literally just following a sheep track right now. It is hot. It's like about 30 degrees. Hiking up a hill. Stopping here for some shade for a second. I've literally been fantasising about this place all week. I'm so glad to be here and so glad that no one else is here. Right. Oh my god, it's so hot. Down for a couple of minutes just to recover. It is incredibly hot today. I'm sure it's hotter here than it is up in Derbyshire. I seem to remember that there's some more waterfalls up that way, but it's that hot that I don't want to walk up there and then find out there's no waterfall. But I have got my drone, so I'm going to get that up and do a little exploratory fly. Let's have a look. Well, that was a total fail. It nearly was like a real fail because I flew the drone up there, up the little valley, and then just randomly it lost connection with the controller. I don't know why. It had line of sight and everything, but luckily the return to home function kicked in, so it flew itself back. I was like panicking, thinking that drone's in the water, I saw a buzzard circling round as well. I thought the buzzard had got it. And annoyingly, I climbed up that hill and had a good view up the valley anyway. So it was totally unnecessary, but I wasn't really paying attention to waterfall, so I'm going to have a little mooch up there and just see what I can see for a sec. And if not, there is a little pool over there that it's just about big enough to dunk myself in. So if we go up here, there's another little waterfall, literally just above this one. Wait till you see this. Oh, that is my personal swimming pool. Yeah, it's just a series of little waterfalls. I think the one that we camped at is probably the best. Sorry if my hair's just a bit crazy. Anyway, I'm going to have a soak. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh. Yeah, that feels really good. So, I reckon it's time to put the tent up. see if I can pitch it here. Might not be able to. I need to pitch it down there. We'll see. It's not the flattest pitch in the world, or the tightest, but it'll do. Not expecting any wind, so yeah, just get it a little bit more tight and good to go, I think. It's a bit slopey. My food chilling in the river. Bit of smoked batter. A bit of M&S super green salad. A little bit of a stir fry type thing. It's a bit big for the pan, never mind. Pop the noodles back on just to make sure they're thoroughly cooked and then put it all together. That was a really dumb move. Not sure what this is going to be like. I just pulled some stuff out of the fridge and the freezer. Okay, it's going to be a bit messy, sorry. Oh, it's really good. Give that solid 9.5, I reckon, as far as camping meals go. Right. Time's about 10 past 10. Just starting to lose the light now. So I'm going to get in bed and watch something on the Kindle. Chill out. Feeling very relaxed. And happy birthday to Alec, if you're watching this. It's my nephew. Everyone wish him happy 18th birthday in the comments. Thank you. Morning. Slept pretty good. Yeah, pretty solid sleep, to be honest. It's about 6:30, 7ish now. Time to get some breakfast and yeah, get myself packed down. Someone telling me it's time for breakfast. Is it time for breakfast? Okay, let's get breakfast then. It's so cute. Go on then. Not a bad way to start the morning. Sit and eat some golden syrup porridge next to a waterfall. Oh, sunshine! Okay, time to get the tent down, go see the family. Okay, all packed up now, so thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and I really appreciate it. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. So goodbye from me and Bella. Up. Right, are you ready to go? Huh? Want to go home? Yeah? Come on then. Up. Hey Bella, speak. Speak. Yeah! Let's go. Speak. Speak. Yeah! Alright, goodbye from me and Bella. I couldn't have timed that little crash better. Bye!